Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn India Pro. This is me Sonia Gupta, biology educator at Learn India Pro. So yesterday was NEET exam, right? So everyone who appeared for NEET 2020, right? How was the exam? It was nice, right? It was very easy exam. Now for the people, for the students who are appearing for the next year, NEET 2021, NEET 2022, and the students who appeared this year also. So in this video for today, what we'll be doing is we'll be analyzing the exam. We'll be analyzing the complete test paper for biology section. Okay, so for biology section today, we'll be completely analyzing the paper, the 90 questions from where, which topics or which chapters the question came from, what was their difficulty level. So we're analyzing them. Now question comes, well, why we are analyzing? Why we analyze? Why, what happens after analysis? See, the students who are going to appear the next subsequent years, since the pattern remains same for the next year also, it will be helpful for you people to understand that what type of question comes. For example, कई बार हमारे दिमाग में इतनी दुविधा होती है कि रोमांस पढ़े, मॉडर्न्स पढ़े या किसी कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट का मटेरियल पढ़े। सब तो यही बोलते हैं एनसीईआरटी पढ़ो, राइट? ज्यादातर तो सब यही बोलते हैं एनसीईआरटी पढ़ो, लेकिन फिर भी मन भटकता है कि अलग अलग स्टडी मटेरियल से पढ़ने लग जाते हैं। सी, माय एम, माय मोटो फॉर दिस वीडियो इज टू शो यू कि कल भी जैसे हमने एक वीडियो किया था जहां पे हमने पूरी आंसर की बनाई थी, देयर ऑल्सो आई प्रूव्ड कि एवरीथिंग कम्स फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी. ओके, now paper actually comes from ncrt. The thing is that you have to intermingle, you have to correlate everything. आपको सब कुछ correlate करना पड़ेगा. अगर आप किसी क्वेश्चन में ऐसे सोचते हो कि नहीं मैं तो फिक्स कर लेता हूँ, ये तो सिर्फ एनिमल टिश्यू से हो सकता है, मीन स्ट्रक्चर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से हो सकता है, नो, इट कैन रिलेट विद सम अदर चैप्टर ऑल्सो. किसी और चैप्टर से भी रिलेट हो सकता है. सेल चैप्टर ऐसा है जो किसी भी चैप्टर से आगे रिलेट हो सकता है, राइट? सो यहाँ पे आपका एनालिसिस पार्ट आता है कि आपको एनसीईआरटी करनी है. कैसे करनी है? ऐसे करनी है कि आप सब कुछ रिलेट करके पढ़ पाए, सब कुछ रिलेट करके पढ़ पाए. So okay, so we are analyzing the paper. Now before we start, there's just a quotation for you people from Albert Einstein, saying that we can't solve problem by using the same kind of thinking we used when we created them. This quotation is just for the students who thinks that analysis is good. You have to analyze not only this question paper but also your performance every time when you write a test. आपको एनालिसिस करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि सॉल्यूशन तभी निकलेगा जब आप अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स को ध्यान से देखोगे कि ये प्रॉब्लम आ क्यों रही है. गो ऑन द रूट कॉज एंड देन analyze it, and then solve it, plan the thing how you have to solve it, execute it, and you will come with the flying colors. Okay, so let's begin with our analysis part of NEET 2020 question paper. It was very late this year, the paper was easy. बहुत इस साल के बच्चे बहुत मेरे हिसाब से लकी रहे होंगे. Additionally, they got the time for 4 months to prepare. Moreover, the paper was easy, right? So it was icing on the cake, right? So let's begin. So in this slide, we are seeing the class 11th questions. So from class 11th, plant diversity, you will be seeing that there were 4 questions and all were easy. Medium and difficulty level questions were not there from plant diversity. From animal diversity, there was 1 question which was easy and 3 were medium type. Medium type, why? Because there was some questions which were matched and a bit complications were there in the questions who have not done this chapter a bit, like in thorough. अगर thorough नहीं किया है, so the question level was medium for the average student. Next, coming on plant morphology, जिससे बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा डरते हैं, it was easy question. 3 questions थे, easy थे. Plant anatomy, 2 questions थे, medium type के थे. Animal tissue structure organization, animal tissues और cockroach से 3 questions, very easy questions. Medium लेवल का एक ही क्वेश्चन था. Then coming on cell biology, cell biology is a chapter where you can relate, which you can relate everywhere. Not only, for example, cell cycle, you cannot कंसाइज कि भाई यहीं से ये टॉपिक आएगा सेल साइकिल. Cell cycle is relatable with sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Cell cycle is completely relatable with genetics also. It is completely relatable with the human reproduction also. Okay, so same way the question came, and the questions from this complete area were, there were 6 questions, 2 were easy, 3 were medium level, and 1 was difficult. Now, biomolecules, the questions were total 3 questions. Plant physiology, the questions were a good number of questions this time, 5 from easy level, 3 questions were medium, and 1 was difficult. Overall, you see, guys, see here only 2 questions are difficult from class 11th. Right, only 2 questions are difficult from class 11th. Now, plant physiology we have done, human physiology, six questions each of easy and medium level. I always say human physiology is important. It carries more marks. It carries more marks. So overall, we see from class 11th, there were 25 plus 20 plus 2. There were total 47 questions from class 11. The point 1 or 2% was more from class 11. It was almost 51 to 52% of the paper was from class 11th rather than class 12th. Okay, now this is justified because there are more chapters in class 11th. Right, ज़्यादा chapters class 11th में ना कि class 12th में. Now, if we see this graph, we can say that class 11 say there were, if we see these total questions, 25 questions were easy, 20 questions were medium level, and 2 questions were difficult. And this shows the chapter bifurcation for the question levels from each topic. Okay, next moving on to the class 12th. Now, class 12th, if you see, there are only 3 questions which are difficult level. There were only 3 questions which were difficult level. Easy level, reproduction plants, 2 were easy, 1 was difficult. Human reproduction, important chapter, it includes reproductive health also. So 1 easy question, 3 medium question, and 1 difficult question. Genetics, there were total 8 questions which were easy. Evolution, total 4 questions, again easy and medium both. Health and disease, 3 questions, each of easy, medium, and difficult level. Strategies for food production, only 1 question came. Only 1 question came from strategies for food production. Microbes and human welfare, 2 questions, medium level. Biotechnology, there were more questions from biotechnology this time. There were really good questions from biotechnology this time, and 5 questions were easy, 4 questions were medium level, and a good number of questions from ecology too. Ecology, we have seen that there are 6 questions which came from ecology, easy level, and 2 questions from medium level. So overall, what do we see? That there are almost 42 questions which were from, or 41 questions which were from this complete part, right? So the paper was overall, if we say, the paper was very easy. The paper was very easy, and it gives this paper, if you see the previous video for the NEET answer key, you'll see that for the future students, that how they have to prepare. Okay, how they have to prepare. You have to plan your strategy now. You have to plan everything and start executing. Okay, next thing is, if you need any help from our side, we are always there to ready. We are always ready to help you out in this context. So you can contact us on these 2 given numbers. You can also email us at learnindiapro@gmail.com. You can follow us guys on YouTube, share it, subscribe the channel, share it with your classmates. You can also follow us on Telegram if you want free resources. Always continuously, we are putting questions, we are putting study material, question papers, videos, free lecture videos on Telegram channel, right? Next, this is our team. Physics educator is Mr. Amit Sharma, chemistry educator Ms. Pooja Sharma, biology educator, this is me, Sonia Gupta, and student counselor. If you have any problem, you can contact Mr. Ashish Guleria. He's the student counselor at Learn India Pro. He is always ready to help you out in every problem. Okay, so you can connect us on Facebook, Telegram, Instagram. We are there. Next thing is for free resources. Please do contact us. Do contact us. We'll be happy to help you out. Okay, so please plan accordingly. All the best and good luck for your future.